Okay, as you know, in the previous video, we have successfully added this slider as you can see on the mobile screen, displaying all the images in slider. And basically here, we will display the images from the restaurants. I mean, the user of restaurant will upload their image here for their foods, whatever they are offering to the customers, so that customer can select. So now the next thing is what we need to do. We have to display other information about the restaurants, like for example restaurant name, restaurant's logo, restaurant's contact number, and the email and the other UID, all other information which we are saving in our Firebase. Let me show you. So let's go to the Firebase here, and you will see, as you can see here, we have this restaurant information and this information about the restaurants. So what I mean, we will fetch these data also, like restaurant email and this image URL, the restaurant name and ID, all these informations, address, latitude, longitude, all these we will display to the home page here. So for that, what we have to do, come here. First of all, we need to create a folder for that. So right click on this lib new dot file directory, I mean right click and directory, not file, directory. And let me show you again, right click, new directory. This is called folder package, you can say whatever you are using, iMac or Mac or Window. So here let's say the models. Now right click on this models, new, and the dot file, and it will be, let's say, restaurants model, or you can say underscore model, restaurants underscore models class, like this. Press enter. Now here let's say class, and we will give the name restaurants. You can say restaurant models, you can give this name. And now here we have to create our model string type. First the resto UID, and this, let's give the same name which we are using in our Firebase. This one UID, copy, and it will be resto name. Let's copy paste for other ones. Then we have resto email, then we have URL, this one image, this is the profile image of the restaurant, whatever they will upload, logo or any. So yeah, let's make the constructor for it. So let's say resto models, this dot restaurant ID, comma, this dot restaurant name, this dot restaurant email, this dot image, put semicolon at the end. Now here let's say restaurants dot from JSON. We will get it in the JSON form, and here a string type or a dynamic type, and here JSON like this. And here write for map like this. Now let's collect here like this, resto uid to JSON, and here resto uid. Let's copy paste this, and here it will be name, and here also name. This will be email, this will be email. This one, and the resto image URL. Now after this, let's create a map. String or dynamic to JSON, and write like this, map string or dynamic to JSON like this, and here open curly bracket, right here final map before right here data equals to new map, and before this here put to and write string dynamic and put semicolon at the end. So now after this, right here this data, this one data resto uid equals to this dot resto uid. Let's do for the other ones. And here will be name resto name, and it will be resto name. This is the email resto email, and it will be email resto image url, and it will be resto image url like this. And now after this, let's say return data like this. So this is our model class. So now this is our model class for displaying the other information from the restaurant owner. I mean all these information from here. So next thing we will do in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.